Happy Tuesday, everyone. I'm over at Trailmark, another great subdivision we've done lots of jobs in. I'm over here checking on one of our cypress frame room additions. This is all Florida Cypress. Beautiful stuff, 8x8 post, 4x12 beams, nice grooved ceiling. You can see it's painted white. Let's take a look over here. We got the soffit to match the house, but we kept if you see the wagon wheel up here, we kept the all cypress wagon wheel. I think it's nice to have the two-tone colors. Looks very cool. Lots of awesome lighting. Beautiful job. Coming along nicely. Got a few more touches to do on some final trim. Let's see if I can't take a little walk up here. Got the nice lake behind us for a nice lake view. Here's a little shot on the inside upper ceiling. Isn't that cool though? All that exposed cypress with a two-tone color. We're still gonna come back and touch up all the white paint. Little final touch up. Trim's going in today. The rest of the lap siding, we'll be getting it painted and then get our walls under screen enclosure put up. So this is a quick little overview before we do some final pictures. I'm gonna give you all a little taste of what we can do for you. And it don't take that much time. It just takes a little bit of professionalism, of course a permit, and awesome materials and awesome people to make it all come together like all the beautiful projects that we do. So I just want to share this one with you. I like this one a lot. I tell you, as you can tell, yes, I like it a lot. But y'all have a blessed day. We'll see you on the next one. And guess what? Coming to a house near you. Take care.